Hello, this is Shane. We're on the world famous Nangata stream. We're going to go up here and try to cast a dry fly right in front of a rainbow and see what happens. Catch you later. And they seem to be feeding off the top. I'm sending out this number 12 dry fly. We'll see what happens. The line out first. We don't want to scare the fish away, so we got to cast a little ways. Thankfully, we're in my backyard where we got clearance to cast. I'm thinking that's about enough line. So the film crew is going to pan around now to the fish. We'll see. And he took it. Did you get that on film?
Yeah.
Awesome. Now that is fly fishing right there. Feisty rainbow, huh? And little rainbow. Of course, in the States, he's not little. Caught him right in the lower lip with the little dry fly. How about that, huh? But you know what? This one's so tiny by New Zealand standards, I'm gonna let her go.